Hi, it's Richie from rwhobbies. I'm going to do another unboxing video. This one's going to be for the brand new Delta Airbus A321. But I'm just going to go for a couple of other new releases. We've had new batch of releases just come in within the last couple of days, so I just want to talk about those real quick first. So I'm just going to put the Deltas to the side. So we actually have two Q80 Airlines. The first one is this one right here, which is SKR883, which is the Airbus A350-900 1/200 scale. I'm not going to open these, I'm just going to show you real quick. And then this one, which is another 1/200 scale, SKR891, the 777-300. So just a couple of Q80 Airlines. It's strange to release two in 1 month at the same time, but nevertheless. So those two are now available in stock, ready to ship. Also, I did a video already, but we do have the British Airways Dreamliner 7878 also just arrived. And to another new release also came in a couple of weeks ago is the Airbus A320. The new one, the Neo, that's in 1/150 scale. Okay, so that kind of keeps you updated with latest releases from Skymarks. So let's talk about this one, the Delta Airbus A321. So, as you may know, this is a new aircraft type for Delta. They just got it, I think, a couple of months ago. So this one here is SKR878. It's 1/150 scale, and being Skymarks, it's plastic plastic snap fit model. It's not die cast. Very high quality. They have this one, which I just gave you the SKU number for. They also have a Skymarks Supreme. I believe it's in the 1/100 scale. I think it's SKU number 8407. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm pretty sure that's the number. It comes in 1/100 scale, and being Skymarks Supreme, it comes with a wood stand, and it's a little bit higher quality. I think the blades of the engine turn, there's actually rubber on the wheels. So there is a higher one. That also comes at a higher price point. It's almost double, if not more, than the price of this one. This one retails under $40. I think it's around about $36.95. So, typical box, typical blue Skymarks box with the window on the front. And lift off the top. And then, as always, get the flyer. Some of the other items on the back. Get the wings. Engines, and a stand. Now it looks like this one doesn't have any gear. Some have landing gear, some don't. This one, just like this one, doesn't. Let's take it out. So it's registration November 301 Delta November, which I believe is the first one they had. I'm not 100% sure, but put in the comments if I'm wrong. This might be the first A321 Delta had. Very nice color. It has the Delta on the bottom. That's where the stand goes in at the bottom here. Very nice model. Good weight to it too. It's probably I'd say it's about, these usually about a pound and a half in weight, so it's pretty good. The nice desktop models, and as always the wings. You see it has the sharklets on this one. Oh, there it is, sharklets. They just slot right in. So I'm not going to put it in real hard right now. I'm just so you can get an idea of the size. And then it comes with a stand again. So all you really need to do is you just push each wing in. You just clip the engines on and then put it on the stand. There's no glue involved, it all snaps together. So there you go. So this is the again, Delta Airbus A321. Skymarks model is SKR878. This is in stock, ready to ship. Go to www.rwhobbies.com. Again, we have free shipping for the US, and we also do international shipping. Unfortunately, I had to dial back the countries we ship to because we had a lot of issues with fraud, and especially in Asia, a lot of people getting products and doing chargebacks on credit cards and all kinds of stuff. So we do restrict the shipping. We do ship to Western Europe, Canada, Australia, some countries in the Middle East. But again, go to our website for full information. So again, thank you for watching the video, and any questions as always, just let me know. See you next time. Bye.